Hi, everybody. Michael Sanchez here. I wanted to show you a quick tip that if you have a lot of forms or even just one form that you have your kids fill out, this is an easy way to get them in grade level order if you have multiple grades, as well as alphabetical order. So one of the things that you need to set up when you do your form is to make sure that you have them type in as one of the answers to your question their last name. You can see here I have all these made up names, and the different timestamps show that different grades have filled them out at different times. And if you're like me and you have three grades that you teach, it can get kind of unwieldy if you're trying to look at them all in an orderly fashion and then put them in the grade book. So here's a way that's really easy that you can put them in grade level order, and then you can put them in alphabetical order. So you can just go down quickly by grade and then by last name. You could also do this with instead of grade, you could do it by class, or group or team. So there's a lot of different options that you have here. So the first thing that you do is, once you've made your Google form and the responses have populated the spreadsheet right here, you're going to want to make sure that your selector here is somewhere in the main spreadsheet here. Just make sure that it's not out here where there's not any data. So make sure it's right in here. And then you're going to go to this little button right here that says create a filter. You're now going to see that all this has been highlighted automatically, and you'll see that there are these little filter icons here all over the place. So the first thing I do is go on the student's last name and then sort A through Z. So now this has sorted all the names in alphabetical order. However, we're not in grade level order yet. So that's where you go here, sort A through Z. It'll filter it by numerical automatically. So now you see here that in 6th grade, I have everything is in alphabetical order. 7th grade is in alphabetical order. And then 8th grade is in alphabetical order. So I hope this is a helpful tool for you, and good luck with the rest of your school year.